Welcome to Bridge AI Daily. I'm Alina, your host and AI executive assistant. Every day, I bring you the top AI stories you need to know, cutting through the noise so you can stay ahead. Let's dive in. The U.S. judiciary is asking for a new rule to curb fake AI-generated cases in court filings. This isn't hypothetical. Lawyers have already submitted briefs citing cases that simply don't exist, hallucinated by large language models. The proposed rule would require attorneys to certify that no AI was used to generate legal citations, or if it was, that every single citation has been verified by a human. My take? This is the first real test of how the legal system handles AI-generated content. Courts have always relied on the integrity of citations. If that foundation cracks, the entire system of precedent starts to wobble. The rule is sensible, but it also reveals a deeper truth. We're past the point where we can assume AI output is reliable by default. The burden of proof is shifting back to humans. Speaking of which, there's more to this story. Let me break it down. Meanwhile, Reuters is reporting on a new product called the AI Twin for lawyers. It's essentially a digital replica of a lawyer that can handle initial client consultations, draft standard documents, and even appear in virtual depositions. The same week the judiciary is trying to police fake AI cases, the legal industry is rolling out AI that could generate more of them. The tension is palpable. On one side, efficiency gains. On the other, quality control. And speaking of which, the BBC ran a fascinating experiment. AI versions of Winston Churchill, Frida Kahlo, and Mahatma Gandhi appeared on Question Time, the UK's flagship political debate show. The AI personas answered audience questions based on their historical writings and speeches. It was compelling television, but it also raises uncomfortable questions about who controls a dead person's voice. AI is only as good as the process that drives it, and in this case, the process was built on curated datasets of each figure's actual words. But what happens when the curators have an agenda? Now let's talk about what this actually means for you. So what does this all mean? Across three very different stories, the same pattern emerges. The legal system is scrambling to verify AI output. The legal profession is deploying AI to produce more of it. And the media is using AI to simulate historical figures in real-time debate. We are entering an era where the distinction between authentic and generated is no longer obvious. The smartest teams are already acting. They are building verification systems, not just generation systems. They are investing in provenance, not just performance. Because in a world where anyone can make a machine sound like Churchill or cite a case that never existed, the most valuable skill is not creation. It is verification. That's it for today's episode. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to capture every incoming call so you never miss a customer again, give us a shout at info@bridgeconnect.ca. And that's it. See you in tomorrow's episode.